Alright traders, I decided to record the first trade for the day, and it is a visual second entry short while the downtrend needs to get new extreme. As you can see, I have the main channel established. This is the main bias for today. My goal as a price session trader is to always identify what is the overall structure. This is a bearish downtrend. We broke the downtrend and a new low needs to be tested according to trendline rules. Okay, so this is simple. We broke the channel and I expect new extreme. Now, I cannot just sell anywhere on the chart even though I expect new extreme. What I expect is I want to see the push below EMA and I want to see a felt second entry long. We have a new high, first entry long, pullback, second entry long failure, but it didn't fully stay below EMA. It managed to go back into this range and you can see the single bar was bullish. So I didn't really enter double bar entry, so unfortunately I couldn't really take the felt second entry long, which is the setup that you want to consider when you're thinking about getting the new extreme. But you can see we created a new low and kind of like a first entry short, pullback, second entry short. It's off the EMA, it's off the secondary channel, and it looks like a visual two-legged pullback at two key entry points, and more importantly, and we got filled. So I'm gonna tighten it to break even because anything we make is just a bonus. Our scalp was made 6 contracts and now I'm leaving 1 contract as a runner. So you can see the second entry short, also a little breakout pullback. The main reason why I like this, once again, always establish the main structure. The main structure is clearly bearish downtrend. You can see first 2 swings allow me to identify the channel, third swing confirmation, and right now we broke the channel. To make sure I'm not rushing the selling process is I pay attention to the exponential moving average. As you can see, we had a correction, which is normal, the bullish correction. I'm observing how the 21 bar EMA keeps rejecting prices. It keeps rejecting prices every single time and there was no full push below EMA. As I see this, I don't know how strong the correction is going to be and I don't want to be guessing. Okay, I want to follow the plan, the rules. So I want to see full break below the EMA and I want to see EMA acting as a resistance from the other side. So once again, I expected a felt second entry long which formed here, but the felt second entry long didn't form that well. More aggressive trader could have considered because the main bias is bearish and all the bulls buying will get trapped. Even though you're buying a second entry long at the bottom of the congestion, the main context matters over everything. You can see strong downtrend needs to get new low. So there's a felt second entry long and I waited for the visual to like a pullback, decent bearish bar. And right now we expect the new low to get tested. So I'm dividing my positions, scalping main portion and leaving 1 portion open in case we get some significant momentum and we blast through this new extreme. This was a high probability setup. How to expect the retest of the downtrend. You identify the channel, you wait for the correction to play out, and once you push below EMA, this is a confirmation of the bearish momentum, and then I'm looking for high probability setups to enter either felt second entry long or second entry short. Unfortunately, our runner got hit, so we managed to get only 2-point scalp.